Traders, Brian here with A+ Setups. It is Monday, January 5th, 2026, and this is the first trading day on the full week of January. We're excited here at A+ Setups because we've got a lot of projects we've been working on that we've been gaining traction on to make our flagship trading model better and better. One of those things is cumulative delta. It's the cumulative delta filter. And that's what this short video is going to be about tonight. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Before we get started, please take a moment and read the disclaimer. You can stop the video. But let's go over here. We'll start with these charts and let's talk about cumulative delta. The bottom pane here is our cumulative delta trend model. We primarily use this as a filter to keep us on the right side of the market. We're primarily scalpers in one of the programs we trade, and this certainly helps us keeping on the right side of the market. So it's just a trend model representing cumulative delta, but it is very, very accurate. Now, I built this about 2.5 years ago and forgot that I actually built it. We brought it back in because I've been doing a lot of back testing to refine our primary trading model. And the cumulative delta filter just, I'd forgotten how good it was. So anyway, when the shorts, when the fast is below the slow, you're just looking for short trades. Opposite for bullish. Here's Apple on a 300 tick chart. This is our center line indicator, and this is the higher time frame center line here. I've got this on about a 900 tick. So trend is confirmed, filter is here. Just look for short trades through this. Super good. I haven't even really looked at Apple today. Let's move forward. Yeah, it didn't. Cumulative delta didn't get shaken out on this rally up. Went right into the higher time frame center line. Repelled it, and back down she goes again. I mean, this thing literally kept you short all day long in Apple. Looks like it started trying to get bullish here. What was that, toward the end of the day? Yeah, toward the end of the day. That is incredible. That was really nice. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla, again, on a 300 tick chart with a 900 tick higher time frame center line. And let's go back here to, all right, we get a bullish cross here, and then you're just picking your spots. I have we have some guidelines regarding the center line approach here. We're not going to cover that tonight. Just look at this filter. Just kept you looking to the long side all the way. Here we get a nice rally and then a short going back down. When the bars turn back red in a short setup mode here, that's trend continuation. So that's a really nice segment there for Tesla as well. So it just shows you the versatility. So we've looked at Apple, we've looked at Tesla. Let's look at micro NASDAQ futures, MNQ. We'll look at more charts, as we move through the weeks ahead, show you some stuff. I forgot to pull up the ES tonight and crude. I wanted to do those, but I just wanted to keep this short. Look at this, really nice. It says to continue just looking for shorts. It didn't fall for this fake out. And, oh, well, I haven't even looked at that. This is while all this time frame is while I was, on my 2.5 hour break today, and just kept you short the whole time through this down move in micro NASDAQ futures. That thing did a really good job today. Let's take a look. I did plot this on, I did plot this on Ninzarenko bars. This is primarily what we trade in the room for scalping. For my own program, I'm trading the reverse mullet or the jiggle, when this filter is in alignment. So here we see cumulative delta gets short, telling us to look for shorts. We get one of our named setups, the reverse mullet. It's a deeper pullback, and down she goes. Here is a jiggle, and down she goes. Now, we only take in the room, this was the first jiggle in the sequence. Here was another jiggle in the sequence while this was bullish. So both of those were valid trades. We never take more than 2 of the jiggle setups in a sequence. Statistics tells us not to. So these were first one, and cumulative delta said just go ahead and take your shot. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's take a look at gold. Here we go. Gold. Yeah. This was nice. We're bullish right here. We have the jiggle. Up we go. Cumulative delta collapses. Trend model says look for shorts. We actually, I didn't plot the reverse mullet software on this chart here, but this is a reverse mullet. This is jiggle number 1, jiggle number 2. So those are all valid, and this is not, we had a cross right here, and it's the 3rd jiggle in the sequence, so we don't take the 3rd. But that's gold right there. So anyway, this is a really short video to highlight, the versatility of the cumulative delta model that we have. We're really excited going forward using this. As we move forward, we're just trying to incrementally improve our consistency. If we can get a 1.5%, 3% better over the course of the year, that'll make a huge difference in, thousands of trades. So, anyway, that is I don't think I have any more charts. No, I don't. Anyway, that concludes this short video for tonight. Hopefully you find that cumulative delta filter interesting. We love using it in the room. And, if you want to contact us, here's how to get in touch with us. Good luck in your trading. Hope to see you in the room. Until the next time, this is Brian signing off.